Today is Jamie Diamond's artist table. Jamie is an esteemed photographer, multidisciplinary artist. She is presenting her photography today, and we made a lunch to accompany her work that she did last summer in the Gardner Museum in Boston. Her work in the Gardner Center was based on a short novel by Henry James that was called The Future Madonna. I took some inspiration from items mentioned in that novel, including roast chicken. We are serving a pasta with a beautiful fresh cranberry bean. We have a lovely kale salad, and then we have roasted squash. So it's a contemporary twist, but on many things mentioned in the novel. So the Watermill Center was founded by Robert Wilson. They do beautiful events and galas and residencies, and there's a lot of wonderful work produced out of here. It's just a completely creative destination for Long Island. Well, being able to be in a place like this with this incredible collection of artifacts that have been collected over decades, so being able to make our food and put our food into those is really, it's like an opportunity of a lifetime. To say we're excited would be an understatement. I'm brewing, I'm bubbling, just excited to be here.